Do you really understand how your customer spends? You run a store, a retail shop, on an e-commerce business, you launch advertising campaign, customers are coming in, they buy, but your revenue barely cover or sometimes does not even cover your marketing budget. So you start asking yourself, why despite a high volume of sale is profitability not there? Why do your marketing effort generate activity but very little value? What if I told you that the key to understanding this situation lies in a tool that is both simple and extremely powerful, the normal distribution? So the real question are, how can you properly segment and understand your customer? Which type of customer generate most of your revenue, and most importantly, who has growth potential and who costs you more resources than they actually bring in? These are exactly the questions we will answer in this episode 003 of your Data in Business series. I will show you how understanding the normal distribution can help you improve your marketing campaign by knowing where to focus your investment for maximum impact. Hello everyone, my name is Ome Kenkana, a business analyst. I help SMEs and entrepreneurs make better strategic decisions through data analysis and business intelligence. So if you want to stop making decisions blindly and start deciding with data, subscribe. To make this simple and concrete, let's look at a practical example. This reasoning applies to any industry, not just e-commerce. Imagine the following situation. You run an e-commerce business, your marketing budget increases every month, but your result remains flat. You know that, on average, each customer spends around $70. Some customers spend much more, while others spend almost nothing. The problem is that you have no clear view of how purchasing behavior are distributed. As a result, your campaigns are too generic, your segmentation is approximative, and you struggle to identify high potential customers. In other words, you are investing but not truly managing. So, what should you do? This is exactly where your data starts telling the truth. Step 1 is data collection. We will collect data from 15,000 orders placed in your online store, including amount spent on each purchase. Step 2 is descriptive analysis. After analysis, suppose we observe the following result. Average spending is $70, standard deviation is $18, and spending distribution is closely follow the normal distribution. A quick reminder, the normal distribution, also known as Gaussian distribution, is a bell-shaped curve that describes how many natural phenomena are distributed around an average. Most values are close to the mean and very few are far from it. In marketing, it helps you to first understand the average customer. Customer spending, time spent on a website, or buyer age often follow a normal distribution. This allows you to target the core of the market, typically 68% of customers around the mean. 2. Identify exception. Customers far from the mean at the extreme of the curve can be heavy spender who should be nurtured, or low value customer who should be reactivated or deprioritized if resources are limited. Step 3. Let's now interpret the normal distribution of the 15,000 orders from your e-commerce business. Here's what the curve reveals. The peak is around $72. This is the most frequent basket value. This is where the stability of your revenue lies. It is also your benchmark to evaluating whether a marketing action is effective or not. 2. Your standard customer. About 68% of sales falls between $54 and $90. They are your most numerous customer, regular buyer, the backbone of your business. Your broad marketing campaign should be designed primarily for this segment. Left tail of the curve is low value customer. Around 2.5% of customers spend less than $36. These are occasional customer, buyer, low engagement customer. They consume marketing resources but generate little revenue. Here you have two strategic options. Either move them up with targeted levels such as bundle, limited time offer, or deliberately reduce investment in this segment. But you must choose, because not deciding here means losing money. The right tail of the curve is for premium customer. About 2.5% of customers spend more than $108 per order. They are few but extremely profitable. Very often, this small group alone account for 20 to 30% of total revenue. If you treat them like everyone else, you are destroying their value. The right strategy here is exclusive offer, recognition, personalization, VIP treatment. Know that these are the customers you must protect, retain, and grow. As conclusion, now that you understand how to use the normal distribution to improve your marketing, I invite you to apply it immediately in your business, and if you face any difficulty, don't hesitate to contact me. Let's meet again in the next episode of the Data in Business, where we will see how arithmetic and harmony mean can improve your customer service and delivery speed. Until then, don't forget to subscribe. Good evening.